But my judgment period
Let it await the decision on the review petitions.
In fact, otherwise
There's
also
some-
covered, my lord, we want to make our submission. Review petition
There are some review petitions which have been filed, we are told,
by the states.
by some of the
States have filed it.
aggrieved teachers. Aggrieved teachers, because we had given them 2 years' time to qualify in the case.
Yes. Here, my lord, we have given 5 years, my lord, in our scheme. More than what your lordships are giving.
No, but you may have given 5 years, that 5 years have concluded.
No, but we have, that scheme had come in 2022 to not give effect to the judgment rendered in 2021 in the first round of this case. Then we not framed this scheme. Everything else was accepted, only this clause category 3A people who had not passed. So we said, we'll provide you training to give the test. We will give you 5 years, and otherwise everything else will remain the same. So that 5 years is going to expire in 2027. So there's 2 years more, my lord, even as part of approach.
No, we have given time. The judgment was delivered on 1st September, so 31st August of 27.
So
We
here,
have time.
here 5 years will expire in 27.
Lord, we have some submission. I beg to intervene. Well, we have some submissions as far as the 2010 notification is concerned. Your Lordship will consider that. But I do believe that some people haven't been served the notice yet. Well, your Lordship.
Yes, the office report shows that, my lord, everybody has not been served. That is true, my lord. And also, my lord, I understand that they have filed some counter which we have not received. Some counter affidavits have been filed. So, my lord, we could file our rejoinder. But we are saying, my lord, that this judgment, the second part, first part is the reference, my lord, regarding minority institution. The second part,
This is the second part.
we are not concerned with the first part. We are concerned with the second part, and second part covers our case, my lord, in our respectful submission. My friend.
My lord, only point, my lord, I would beg to make before your Lordships, my lord, that your Lordships, my lord, had noticed, my lord, in that case, my lord, the provisions of the NCTE Act. And, my lord, thereafter, my lord, there is no finding with respect to Section 12, Capital A of the NCTE Act. If your Lordships, my lord, can you see, my lord, that judgment of your Lordships? And incidentally, my lord, in that judgment, my lord, three previous judgments of your Lordships were noticed. My lord, the very purpose of amending Section 12A, my lord, we have referred to in our counter, my lord, that we have filed, that only with the view to, my lord, override the judgment of this court in Upendra Rai, my lord, the Parliament had amended Section 12A, had, so to say, my lord, inserted Section 12A, just to obviate, my lord, that the NCT does not, which the NCT did not have the competence, my lord, to make legislations with respect to schools, have now been incorporated by virtue of this. And, my lord, it has been effected from 1/6/2012.
NCT is the examining body, so therefore it was necessary to confer power on the NCT under the NCTE Act. But
My lord,
today,
that power has been,
our judgment was on interpretation of Section 23
exactly,
of the RTE Act.
exactly, my lord. So,
There,
I would beg to submit, my lord, the interplay of,
by the second proviso to 23, which was incorporated later. That
my lord.
Please
My lord.
continue.
My lord, what I would beg to pray before your Lordships, my lord, if your Lordships can you put up the matter on a non-miscellaneous day, on a farm day, my lord.
We'll keep it on.
All that we are respectfully submitting is, we'll make the service. We'll file our rejoinder, we'll endeavor to make all the service, which is on.
Very well.
And they are given undertaking, they will not press for the contempt.
Yes. My lord, your Lordships, my lord, can you record my words, my lord? The content was moved, and my lord, I made a submission before the court.
Yeah, 90. You are not granted leave, no?
No.
Huh? Wednesday. Leave के बिना होगा ना? If we direct it to come 19th at 2 o'clock.
19th November, my lord?
Yes. In the meanwhile, state of Tripura
That's right.
shall take steps for effective service on the respondents who are yet to be served.
And we are also permission to file.
File a rejoinder within 2 weeks.
A counter for those who have not filed so far.
My lord, the first matter, my lord, I have filed my counter, my lord.
If not filed, may be filed by 2 weeks. Rejoinder affidavit to the counter affidavits which have already been filed and which may be filed in terms of the liberty granted above, may be filed by the petitioners by 14th November.
Grateful.
Deeply obliged, my lords.
I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful.
There is one IA which we had to file, my lord, because there was some delay in filing the spare copies in the registry because of the large number
Achha.
of respondents.
Delay
That
to the
IA, my
convert
lord,
filing spare.
175,483, that delay 175,483, that may be condoned.
Condoned allowed. I
Lordship,
number
very okay.
allowed condoned.
Obliged, my lords.
So great.